In this lesson, we will see how we can easily get the data from Excel in Power BI. With Power BI, you can use different data sources. Okay, so let us see from where we can upload the data and load it on our Power BI. Now let us open Power BI after installing. So when you'll open Power BI, the following interface would be visible. Directly click here to select a data source. Now I'll just click on blank report. Okay, here it is. Now the exact interface is visible. You can import the data from Excel, from SQL Server. Okay, you can paste the data into a blank table or use sample data. You can also click on get data from another source to get the list of all the data sources. Or the best way would be to click here get data, and all the data sources are visible. You can also go for the text or CSV if you have your data in these files, even from the web. Currently I'll just click Excel workbook because my data is in Excel workbook. I'll click. Now here is our location wherein all our Excel files are visible. Our data is in store. I'll just right click and 316 KB file first. Now herein you can see we have around we have some columns and around 3000 rows of data. Okay, and it includes like a store data, a mart data you can consider with order ID, date, ship date, the name of the customer, country, city, the category of the product name, even sales, quantity and profit. Okay, so this will be our sample data, a sample Excel, store.xlsx. I'll close it. Now here is the data. I'll just click open. Now here it is. It is showing us the workbook, my store. I was having the my store workbook. You can also check again. So this was our location. We were having store.xlsx. Click on it. And here was the Excel workbook, my store. Okay. I'll click cross. Now here is the same data. We selected the same workbook. Now here two options are visible, load and transform data. Now what does that mean? Okay, transform data is a step in the data import process that will allow you to clean, manipulate and prepare our data for analysis. So let's say you have some duplicate values in the data, you have some missing values or incorrect values, you can easily fix it here by clicking transform data. Okay, this step transform data will clean the data, handle missing values, remove duplicates. It is also used to combine data from multiple sources. Okay, transform data means to enhance the data quality, the data consistency, because it will fix the data. Right now our data is perfect, so what I'll do, I'll just click on load. Now our data will load. It will take some time. So now you can see our data loaded. So where it is visible, it's visible here, data, my store, and here is our data. So all the fields are visible. We also have sum of sales, quantity and profit here. You can also drag it here like this and this accordingly. So guys, we saw how we can get the data from Excel workbook in our Power BI. Thank you for watching the video.